Enterprises are rushing to integrate AI into their workflows to draft contracts, summarize patient histories, and process financial data at light speed. But that efficiency grinds to a halt the moment the system confidently generates a beautifully formatted, completely fabricated legal brief. Computer scientists call this a hallucination. It occurs when a large language model produces text with perfect grammar and absolute confidence, despite having no connection to factual reality. Design and defect occupy two different spaces here. If you ask an AI to write a sci-fi screenplay, you want it to invent things. That is deliberate, goal-driven creativity. A hallucination is an unintended fabrication, where the system presents fiction as absolute fact. Take an intrinsic hallucination. You might ask an AI who wrote Pride and Prejudice, and it will confidently name Charles Dickens. The model has confused historical entities, blending its vast web of data into a plausible-sounding, yet entirely false answer. In sectors like healthcare or finance, a single plausible lie can lead to a wrong diagnosis or a disastrous trade. This risk of fabrication acts as the primary bottleneck preventing the full deployment of AI across critical enterprise systems. Until we can separate the machine's linguistic fluency from these fictions, giving these models total control over high-stakes workflows remains a massive liability. To fix these lies, we look at exactly where they are born. The AI lifecycle is a pipeline, and the first vulnerability occurs during data curation. If a misconception appears thousands of times across scraped data, the model absorbs it as an imitative falsehood. For example, ask a standard LLM who invented the light bulb, and it will almost certainly point to Thomas Edison. Edison commercialized the bulb, but he wasn't the sole original inventor. Because the simplistic, inaccurate narrative dominates online text, the AI mimics that exact falsehood. This probability distribution graph illustrates the next vulnerability, the architecture phase. Inside the neural network is an activation function called SoftMax, which calculates the probability of the next word. When a topic has multiple overlapping facts, the math struggles to represent them equally, a limitation known as the SoftMax bottleneck. Because of this bottleneck, the AI effectively plays an advanced game of autocomplete. It is mathematically incentivized to choose highly probable, fluent words to finish a sentence, prioritizing what sounds correct over what is actually true. These fabrications represent the inevitable mathematical byproduct of a system designed to prioritize linguistic confidence over factual accuracy. These architectural flaws fully surface during the inference stage, the moment the user interacts with the model. The system is especially vulnerable when asked about rare, long-tail knowledge, or given a vague, ambiguous prompt. If a user asks a broad question, like, "Tell me about recent space breakthroughs," the AI panics trying to find the most probable next words. It can stitch together real aerospace terminology to invent a completely fake, yet highly detailed, account of a manned mission to Mars. To deploy these models safely, engineers have to catch these fabrications before the user sees them. The first major diagnostic tool is called uncertainty-based detection. Instead of reading the final text, developers look under the hood at the AI's internal token probabilities. If the model's mathematical confidence for a specific claim drops below a certain threshold, the system flags the output as a likely guess rather than a learned fact. Another technique is self-consistency detection. Engineers automate the process of asking the model the exact same prompt multiple times. If the generated facts change across the different answers, it indicates the AI is fabricating details on the fly. Modern enterprise AI engineering relies on building rigorous, automated interrogation systems that catch the machine's lies before they ever reach a human workflow. Detecting the lie is only half the battle. To make LLMs truly viable for enterprise use, engineers are deploying mitigation strategies that intervene during the generation process to anchor the AI to reality. The most effective cure for factual fabrication is Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. RAG forces the model to retrieve data from an external, verified database vault. Feeding hard facts directly into the context window limits the math from wandering into plausible fiction. Another critical mitigation technique is chain-of-thought reasoning. This involves prompting the AI to break down complex queries into a series of step-by-step logical chunks. Forcing the model to explicitly show its work gives it the opportunity to self-correct its own logic. Without step-by-step reasoning, an AI might suffer a factual contradiction, like stating the capital of Saudi Arabia is Dammam instead of Riyadh. Chain of thought prevents these geographical errors by making the model map out the relationship between the country and its cities before stating the final capital. Ultimately, hallucinations are deeply woven into the fabric of how large language models process human language. They are a feature of probability, and they cannot simply be patched out with a software update. The path forward for enterprise AI requires building a robust ecosystem of fact-checkers, retrievers, and reasoners around the model, creating the safety guardrails necessary to deploy these systems in high-risk environments.